So today in this video, I'm going to be reviewing these two serums. This is Dr. Rousoun serum and this is Feah Vitamin C serum. I've used this serum for more than 6 months and I have used this one for a month now. And I think I'm in the best position to tell you what you want to know about these two serums.
So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see.
Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Jennifer. In this channel we talk about skincare product reviews and beauty tips. Please consider subscribing, turn your bell notifications on so that YouTube will get notified whenever I drop new videos. And to you all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always being here. And if you have been watching and yet to subscribe, please let's touch a heart today to support me by subscribing, liking and sharing my videos. Also turn your bell notification on. Once you subscribe, you see a bell icon, click on the first one. So today in this video, I'm going to be reviewing these two serums. This is Dr. Rousoun serum and this is Feah Vitamin C serum. We are going to be comparing it and let's find out which one is the best, because I keep getting this question. People keep asking which one is the best. Okay, so if it sounds like something you're interested in, please continue watching. Okay, now let's talk about this serum. This is Dr. Rousoun Vitamin C serum. This serum, they say, is 20% vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, professional anti-aging brightening serum. Yeah, it's been written there. Sorry you guys cannot see it because of my camera. Okay, and this one, they said, is rich in vitamin C, whitening and brightening, moisturizing and anti-acne. This one is anti-acne and this one is anti-aging. Okay, but the two are all vitamin C serum. First of all, I would like us to talk about their similarities. Looking at this pack, there's so much look alike. They have the same pack, okay, called black color, okay, and they look so much alike. If you look at it from afar, you would think that they are just the same serum. Now let's unbox it. This comes with a seal covering it all over. I've actually removed the seal from the top here, but the seal is still here. If you look at it here, this seal, it came with this seal sealed all over, okay, but this one has no seal. All right, this one has no seal. Now let me open it. Opening it, you will see a pack inside. This is what I found inside. It has a double pack, probably to protect it, for protection, and I love that about it. It's kind of an extra protection to the vitamin C serum. Okay, minus that, it also has the Rousoun skincare inscripted all over the pack inside. This is another thing. Now let's open the Feah Vitamin C serum. The Feah Vitamin C serum comes just with the carton. It doesn't have a seal. It doesn't have any double pack. Now let's look at the bottle. So this is Feah Vitamin C serum and this is Dr. Rousoun Vitamin C serum. This is Feah Vitamin C serum. It has a thin mouth, while Dr. Rousoun has a thick mouth. This is another difference that I found out. Now let's look at their consistency. This is one place that I really want to talk about, their consistency. Dr. Rousoun, I don't know if it's not Dr. Rousoun, it's just Rousoun skincare vitamin C serum. I don't know why I keep saying Dr. Rousoun. It is Rousoun skincare vitamin C serum. That's what is being written here. Okay, let's just look at the consistency of this serum. This serum has a very thin consistency. Very thin consistency. I don't know. Let me just try apply it here. You see, it has a very thin consistency, like a water consistency. Can you guys see that? And this one has a gel-like consistency. This one has a gel-like consistency. The Rousoun Vitamin C serum contains hyaluronic acid, while Feah Vitamin C serum does not contain hyaluronic acid. Okay, so and this Rousoun Vitamin C serum, sorry, this is Rousoun. This Rousoun Vitamin C serum is an anti-aging serum, and this one is anti-acne serum. I've mentioned it here in this channel that if you have acne prone skin, you should be using Feah Vitamin C serum. Even if you don't have acne on your face right now, but you have acne prone skin, you should be using something anti-acne, and this is anti-acne. So many people have actually testified of how this serum helped them control their acne breakout. Okay, so but this one has hyaluronic acid and is an anti-aging serum for brightening. This one said is whitening and brightening. To be honest, this serum does not whiten the skin. It brightens up the skin, plumps your skin, and give you this fresh look. I love this serum. In fact, I'm going back to this serum. Once I'm done with this, I'm going back to this vitamin C serum, this Feah Vitamin C serum. I got this serum because I just wanted, because they look so much alike, and I'm so inquisitive. I wanted to see if they have anything in common, or I just wanted to see. I just wanted to know. So that's why I got it, and I got it now, and I really don't like the consistency. This one has a water-like consistency, and this one has a gel-like consistency, and I love that about it. I love this gel-like consistency because once you finish applying it, it gives you this plump face. It plumps your skin, it freshens up your face. If you touch your face, it feels like a very soft, it gives you this soft skin on your face that you enjoy touching. Okay, so and this one plumps the face, but it has a very thin consistency, water-like consistency, and I don't like that about it. I don't know, but it's just something personal about me. But this one has a thick and a gel-like, not all that thick, but gel-like consistency that plumps up your face, clears acne. It does clear acne, but don't be too fast. It does clear acne, but don't be too fast. I've gotten reviews on this serum. If you have acne prone skin, please use this serum and be patient with it. Okay, this one has hyaluronic acid. It's more of moisturizing, and the strength is more of moisturizing. Okay, but to be honest, I'm not really satisfied with the length it can moisturize. Okay, but it's good. It's not bad. But comparing, if I should choose, I'm gonna choose Feah Vitamin C serum. I don't know if I'm making sense. I'm not in any way saying that this serum is not good. This serum is very, very nice. But when you compare it with this, I will go for this. I'm going to buy this again after using this because I bought this one. I just bought this. Okay, so I'm going to buy this one again. Feah Vitamin C serum. I love this serum. It's so amazing. Okay, I don't know if I've said everything I want to say about this serum. If you have used any of this serum, please, I would like to read your review in the comment section. I know a lot of people are using it, and I would like to read your own personal reviews. You know, skin differs. Some people will use the Rousoun serum and they will prefer it to Feah Vitamin C serum, but for me, I prefer Feah Vitamin C serum. Okay guys, so this is going to be the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Before then, please stay away from trouble. Bye.